Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we break down the Fortinet NSE 8 written exam syllabus so you know exactly what to study and how much time to plan. This exam covers 8 domains with exact weights you must know. FortiOS is 25%, Security Fabric 15%, and the remaining 6 domains FortiManager, FortiAnalyzer, FortiClient, FortiWeb, FortiMail, and Public Cloud are each 10%. The exam focuses on deep technical knowledge and scenario-based problem solving across core platform functions, integration, management, analytics, endpoint, web, email, and cloud security. FortiOS carries 25% of the exam and is listed as hard with an estimated 40 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. You will learn core operating system functions, advanced routing and high availability, and a broad set of security services. Expect to configure and troubleshoot BGP and OSPF, implement multicast with PIM, design active-active and active-passive HA clusters, manage session synchronization and inter-DOM communication, and build SD-WAN rules based on performance SLAs. You will also work with SD-WAN orchestration, SSL and SSH inspection, advanced IPS, application control and antivirus profiles, and troubleshoot hardware acceleration and NPCP offload. Security Fabric is 15%, medium difficulty, with about 20 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches integration and telemetry across the Fortinet ecosystem and how to automate threat response. You will configure FortiGate to FortiGate telemetry, implement Security Fabric connectors for third-party orchestration, and design automation stitches for proactive response. You will also analyze security rating reports for compliance, and troubleshoot fabric synchronization and topology visualization. FortiManager is 10%, medium difficulty, with an estimated 15 hours and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. The focus is centralized management and policy orchestration for multi-device environments. You will manage administrative domains or ADOMs for multi-tenancy, implement policy packages and installation targets, and configure provisioning templates for standardized deployments. Expect to troubleshoot FGFM management protocol connectivity and manage FortiGuard proxy services and firmware distribution across devices. FortiAnalyzer is 10%, medium difficulty, with about 15 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This domain covers centralized logging, analytics, and reporting for security operations. You will configure log aggregation, forwarding and redundancy, manage data quotas and storage policies, and design custom SQL-based datasets and complex reports. You will also implement event management and incident response workflows and troubleshoot log database integrity and performance issues. FortiClient is 10%, medium difficulty, with an estimated 15 hours and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. The domain covers endpoint security, EMS, and ZTNA implementation to secure remote and managed endpoints. You will deploy and manage FortiClient Enterprise Management Server, configure Zero Trust network access policies and tags, and implement endpoint compliance scanning and vulnerability checks. You will also manage SSL and ISEC VPNs for remote users and troubleshoot client-to-EMS communication and telemetry. FortiWeb is 10%, listed as hard with about 20 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This domain focuses on web application firewall and API protection for modern application stacks. You will configure WAF policies to mitigate OWASP top 10 risks and implement machine learning-based anomaly detection, manage server objects and health checks, and configure API protection with JSON and XML validation. You will also troubleshoot HTTP and HTTPS traffic flow and SSL offloading for high-performance deployments. FortiMail is 10%, hard difficulty, with an estimated 20 hours and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. The focus is secure email gateway operations and advanced threat prevention for mail infrastructure. You will configure gateway, transparent and server modes, implement advanced anti-spam and antivirus inspection, and manage content disarm and sandboxing workflows. You will also configure data leak prevention and identity management features and troubleshoot SMTP session flows and mail queue issues. Public Cloud is 10%, hard difficulty, with about 20 hours of study and conceptual plus scenario-based assessment. This domain teaches securing cloud workloads and integrating Fortinet solutions in AWS, Azure and GCP. You will deploy FortiGate VMs in public clouds, configure cloud connectors for dynamic address synchronization, and implement SDN connectors to scale the security fabric. You will also design secure transit gateway and VNet peering architectures and manage high availability and load balancing in cloud fabrics. That wraps up the guide to the NSE 8 written exam syllabus. Use the domain weights, difficulty ratings and estimated study hours to plan a focused study schedule and practice scenario-based problems to succeed.